This is Dr. Jack Nordhaus of IMMS, and today I'm speaking with Joanna Craybaum, who's the Agent Sales Manager for NetQuote, who is one of our good premier partners. And we're going to be sharing some information in a brief spotlight interview. So good morning, Joanna, and welcome aboard, as they say.
Yes, good morning, and thanks for having me today.
Hey, it's my pleasure. And Joanna, what products and services does NetQuote offer?
Well, we're a marketing service for local agents. Specifically, we're an internet lead provider. So consumers come to our site to shop for insurance, and then we match them with agents in their geographic area. It's a very time-consuming and expensive for local agents to compete online for leads, so we're out there competing for the agents. And we spend around $60 million a year advertising on the major search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing to drive that traffic to our website. We have a marketing team whose time is dedicated to keeping our site listed on the search engines. And our strength really is in the number of leads that we can send to an agent because of our large internet presence.
Yeah, that's 60 million. That's pretty impressive.
Exactly. And we're currently generating over 800,000 leads per year. And the lead types that we're generating for are auto, home, renters, life, health, and commercial. So really, whatever an agent sells, we probably have the lead type that they need.
So you cover personal and commercial and Main Street and all that good stuff. A lot of
that is correct.
Okay. And what attracted you to providing this, and how did you get involved in doing it? You've been in it for a while, I assume.
Right. Well, our founder was an insurance agent, and he was fairly successful, but he was frustrated by the inability to route the leads efficiently, so he started informally exchanging leads, and he turned it into a business. He originally operated out of his basement with a partner, taking phone calls from people who were looking for insurance and then faxing the information out to agents, and that was back in 1989. That's really before there was even an internet side to the insurance business, so once the internet was launched, we were just fortunate to be able to move the business easily to the web, and because we were the first, we've developed a strong presence and network on the internet. And really, after all these years, we still love the idea of helping consumers find insurance and helping agents connect with those consumers and grow their business.
So that's a classic win-win-win situation for everybody,
exactly.
Including you guys, of course. Okay.
Exactly.
And Joanna, what's the NetQuote, what would you call it, the degree of uniqueness or the X factor that sets you apart from or ahead of the competition?
Yes, really, besides being the first, we really are the largest of the internet lead providers. Our network of contacts for finding insurance leads is extensive, and therefore we really have more leads than any other company. Now, one of the unique lead types that NetQuote offers is our business leads. We allow the agents to filter our business leads by industry and sub-industry for free, so an agent can really focus in on the specific industries in which they are most competitive and knowledgeable. And our feedback from agents that are buying our business leads is that this lead type gives them the highest close rate.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's pretty important.
Yes.
Definitely. And what type of problems can you help, the Acme Insurance Agency or XYZ? How can you help them?
Yeah, absolutely. I think, for agents that are in growth mode, the goal is really to gain more policies and to make more money. And the challenge, though, is how do they connect with the consumers who are actively shopping for insurance. And then that's where we come in. We connect agents with consumers who are actively shopping for insurance. We help the agents grow their book of business by introducing them to consumers they wouldn't have found on their own. And then in addition, once an agent signs up for our service, we help provide them with free tools to develop an effective process to work the leads. It's really vital that an agent has a specific process in place for working the leads before beginning our program. So to help the agents develop their process, we built a tutorial called NetQuote University. It's just a fun, free, interactive tutorial designed to give the agent tips and hints for working the leads. And it has testimonials from agents that have been successful, and it has interactive modules, things like, how to develop an effective call script and an email template that they can download and keep for future use. And I'll also make mention of another tool that we provide them for free, and that's our lead management system. And we designed it to help the agents better organize their leads. And one of the main features within our lead management system, one of the highlights, and I recommend to every agent if they use anything within our lead management system, that they utilize our autoresponder email, because it's important that agents use different methods of follow-up to contact these consumers. So really with our autoresponder email, the agent can create a personalized email template for each one of their NetQuote lead types. So when they receive their NetQuote lead, that email will go out to the consumer automatically on the agent's behalf, and it comes from their email address. So when the consumer hits reply, it'll go directly back to the agent. In our lead management system, they can also schedule callbacks. They can make notes on the clients with the lead management system. So in general, it's really built to help keep them organized and maximize their leads. And then, agents that are using our lead management system, they're able to buy more leads and close more policies because they are able to work the leads more efficiently. So I would say really in general, not only do we solve the problem of helping them, connect with the consumers who are shopping online, but we also give them free tools and information to be successful when they're working with these consumers.
Oh, that's beautiful. I love it. And finally, Joanna, what opportunities does NetQuote offer that agents might be missing somewhere along the way?
Right. Well, as I mentioned earlier, more and more people, they're going online to shop for insurance. And as I mentioned earlier, it is very time-consuming and expensive for agents to compete online for this business. So we offer them an affordable way for the agents to grow their book of business. And really after they've exhausted all other resources, and it's especially good for new agents who haven't established a network of their own yet. We get thousands of leads in every day, so the agents can rest assured that they'll have ample opportunity to quote and sell consumers who are genuinely looking for insurance. And not to mention all of the money the agents can make from the cross-sell and the referrals from the leads that they get from NetQuote.
Hey, that's just fantastic. Well, my goodness, in 6 minutes we've said a heck of a lot, and I want to thank you and thank your colleagues at NetQuote, and we're really looking forward to working with you folks to grow and benefit our, the agents and their clients and everybody in sight. So thank you again.
All right. Well, thank you very much.